The subject of this video is data retention schedules in SharePoint. So you'll be following the advice of your records management team for creating these schedules, so you follow your audit requirements. So let's go to Compliance Center, go down to Data Lifecycle Management, select Microsoft 365 under Retention Policies, and we're going to click New Retention Policy. Let's create one for 50 years. Again, the duration would be provided by your records manager, your compliance team. So we'll just choose a random number, 50 years. We'll copy that to description. Then we'll click Next. Say static. You'll add the site URLs manually. That's a separate video. And then turn off everything except for SharePoint. And then Next. And then let's click on Custom. Enter 50 years. And then we're going to go to when items were last modified. We'll use that as our trigger. If the site's still in use, there's no sense in deleting it. Okay, click Submit. Double check everything. There's your message or warning. So after you click Submit, the policy will be created, and then you click Done, and you're finished. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please click like and subscribe.